What if I told you that a single, simple AI prompt is quietly making one t-shirt seller over $50,000 a month? No, it's not a saturated niche like dogs or coffee. It's for something that happens all day, every day, all over the world. Kids' birthdays. I'm going to give you the exact prompt they're using, show you how to spin it into your own unique designs in minutes, and get you started today. So stick around. You're not going to want to miss this. Hi, welcome. I'm Harry with the Print Shop Pro, where I release daily and weekly videos on print on demand, Etsy tips, and anything fun like that. So if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button below and follow along. All right, let's get into it. Let's be real. We're all chasing the passive income dream. The idea is that you can build something once, put it up for sale on like Etsy or Amazon merch, and then literally make money while you sleep. Print on demand is always sold as the easiest way in. No inventory, no shipping, just pure profit. But if you've actually tried it, you know it's a lot harder than it looks. You grind for hours on ideas, fight with design software, and then you launch what you think are winning products, only to hear crickets. Zero sales. It feels like you're just creating designs that nobody ever sees. And it's easy to feel like you're wasting your time and leaving a huge opportunity on the table. For years, the biggest roadblock for new sellers has always been design. You either had to be a pro artist or spend a fortune hiring one. But that entire bottleneck has been obliterated by AI. The problem isn't the business model anymore. It's about finding a profitable niche and a design style that actually sells. But what if you could just remove all the guesswork? What if you had a proven formula? The secret isn't some crazy, complicated market. It's been hiding in plain sight this entire time. Like I said earlier, kids' birthday shirts. One Etsy shop is pulling in over $50,000 a month, with some estimates as high as $80,000 a month just from these simple shirts. And when I asked ChatGPT about the top selling niches on Etsy, it confirmed that baby and kids products are one of the absolute best places to be. So why is this niche a goldmine? First, it's evergreen. Thousands of kids have a birthday every single day, which means constant year-round demand. Second, it's an emotional purchase. Parents, grandparents, and family want to make a kid's birthday feel special. It's a milestone. They aren't just buying a t-shirt, they're buying a memory, and they're happy to spend some money to create it. And third, focusing on first birthdays creates an instant path to repeat customers. If you win them over for the first birthday, there's a good chance they'll be back for the second, the third, and for any siblings too. The top sellers aren't even using super complex graphics. They're using simple, cute, text-based designs with playful characters. Designs that are incredibly easy to create with AI. The opportunity here is to take what's already working and just give it a fresh spin, like a cool, vintage, retro aesthetic. All right, let's get to it. I'm going to give you the exact prompt structure that's behind these 5-figure monthly sales. I've dropped the full copy and paste prompt into the description below, but I want you to understand the formula so that you can adapt it for any age, theme, or character you can dream of. The prompt is all about layering specifics. Here's a prompt for a winning first birthday design. Now let's break that down. We've got the main text, 1, the character replacement, a vintage strawberry, detailed character descriptors, smiling face, tutu, crown. The font style is bold, retro with the texture, a specific color palette, and finally the technical commands, which are high resolution, transparent background, and centered composition. This is your formula. Now you can swap the 1 for 2 or 3 or whatever number it is, change the strawberry to a dinosaur, a unicorn, or a teddy bear. You can switch up the color palette for a boy's birthday or a different party theme. The core structure is what matters. This is how you crank out dozens of unique, sellable designs from one single, powerful prompt. Now before you start generating designs, there's one step most beginners skip entirely, And it's the reason so many people waste hours creating stuff that never actually sells. You need to validate your idea first before you invest any time building it out. This is exactly where Profit Tree comes in. And honestly, it's become one of my favorite tools in this whole workflow. Profit Tree is a simple product research tool built specifically for print-on-demand sellers. You can plug in any niche, like first birthday shirts, and it shows you what's already selling, what the demand looks like, and whether there's room for a new seller to break in or not. Instead of just guessing, you're making decisions based on real data. Before I ever open Kittle or even write a single prompt, I spend 5 minutes in Profit Tree making sure the niche that I'm going after is actually worth my time. That strawberry birthday design I'm about to show you, I confirmed the demand was there before I ever even touched the AI. Now, if you'd like to follow along, I've dropped my affiliate link in the description below. Seriously, go check it out before we even move on. Now, let's put this into action. Here's the exact workflow from prompt to finished product. First, you generate the art. You can use tools like Midjourney or any of the free AI generators out there, but the key is using one that's built for print quality. I'm going to be using Kittle's AI for this because it's a fantastic all-in-one platform made for print-on-demand sellers. Inside of Kittle, I'll set my canvas size to the standard printified t-shirt size so that the dimensions are right from the get-go. Then in the AI image generator, I'll paste in our detailed prompt that we've been using below. I'm making sure to choose a clip art or illustration style since those create the clean, centralized graphics that look great on t-shirts. After generating a few options, I'll pick the one that looks the most professional. And here's a pro tip. If you use Profit Tree during the research phase, go back and look at the top selling listings in your niche before you finalize your design. Ask yourself, what colors are performing well? What characters keep showing up? Use that intel to steer your creative choices. Remember, you're not copying anyone, you're just letting market data sharpen your instincts. Use those designs as inspiration. That combination of AI-generated art plus real sales data is honestly an unfair advantage. Next up is the most crucial step, cleanup. A raw AI image is almost never perfect. First, I use a background removal tool to make the background transparent. This is a non-negotiable for t-shirt designs. Then I upscale the image to at least 300 dpi, which is the standard for high quality printing. From there, you can just add or tweak text, adjust colors, or combine elements. This is your chance to add a personal touch that makes the design truly yours. Once your design file is ready, it's time to make it real. And that starts with great mock-ups. A mock-up is just a photo of your design on a t-shirt, either on a model or styled nicely like folded on a table. This is the first and most important thing your customer sees. Remember, people buy with their eyes. You can use a tool like Placeit, or some AI tools now have mock-up generators as well. Next, you want to upload your design to a print-on-demand provider like Printify. Remember, that's the engine of your business. You could sign up for free, connect it to your Etsy shop, and pick a product. In this case, we're going to use a popular kids t-shirt. Then you upload your transparent PNG file, the one that we removed the background from, place it on a shirt, choose the colors you want to offer, and set your price. When a customer buys that shirt on your Etsy store, the order is automatically sent to Printify. They handle all the printing, the packaging, the shipping. They send it right to your customer. You do nothing. You just collect the profit. This is the passive part of the passive income. You could have the world's greatest design, but if no one sees it, it won't sell. This is where Etsy SEO comes in. Your titles, your tags, and descriptions need to be packed with the exact keywords parents are searching for. Remember, don't ever just guess. Use a research tool like Profit Tree to see what terms are driving up sales for top listings. You'll quickly find keywords like first birthday shirt or retro birthday tee or strawberry birthday theme. And then you can use AI tools like ChatGPT to help you write your listings. These tools such as ChatGPT or Claude, they can help generate keyword-rich titles and descriptions optimized to rank high in Etsy search. which would then get your product in front of thousands of buyers. But don't just stop at one shirt. The real money is in scaling. That one strawberry design for a first birthday, create a version for a second and a third birthday. Then create a matching shirt that says one very proud mom or one very proud dad. You can create entire family sets that get customers to buy multiple shirts at once, seriously boosting your average order value. Then take that same winning design and put it on mugs, tote bags, and hoodies, all available from the same print provider. With AI, you could spin a single idea into a whole product line in less than an hour. This is how you build a real brand. So, that's the secret. It's not some impossible code. It's a proven niche, such as kids' birthdays, combined with a powerful, repeatable AI prompt and a smart workflow. You now have the entire playbook. The niche, the research tools I use, the prompt I use, the design process, and the scaling strategy. The old barriers are gone. You don't need to be a professional designer in 2026. You don't need to risk money on inventory. You just need a creative idea and the right tools. Now you have a choice. You can let this be another interesting video that you forget about, or you can take action. I want you to try it. Use the prompt structure that I shared below. Brainstorm a few birthday themes, create a design, and launch it. You have nothing to lose and a passive income stream to gain. If this was helpful at all and you want more deep dives into profitable AI strategies, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell. I've left links to all the tools I mentioned, including Profit Tree, down in the description below. Now that you know how to create a winning design, check out this next video on how to use AI to completely automate your Etsy listings to save even more time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.